Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. We are doing block 2. In this block we have already learned certain topics, different jobs, men and women do different jobs, how they help us with their service, then women at work, how the times have changed. Earlier women were not allowed to work outside. How now in the modern days women are working in every field. In the third part we learnt about the weaver's job, how the weaver weaves the clothes on the loom, how he collects the raw material, and what are the hardships which he faces. In today's class, we are learning 2.4 Conserving our handlooms. Students, conserving means protecting or saving things from damage. So, today in this lesson, we learn how to save our handlooms. Right, students? Let's move further. We already know about the jobs of weavers. Today, we will learn about why we need to conserve handloom fabrics. Okay, all of us we have discussed about the weavers problems. Now, okay, how to save these fabrics we'll learn. Keywords: fabric, cloth, fabric, cloth. Conserve, to keep something safe from being damaged or destroyed. Conserve, to keep something safe from being damaged or destroyed. Okay, now open your content book and read the lesson. Okay, let's read the lesson now. Conserving our handlooms. Indian handloom is different from the kinds of clothes found in other parts of the world. We must conserve these handlooms and help weavers continue with their jobs. Handloom cloth production reducing. Okay, they are telling us that handloom cloth production is going down. Why? Why the weavers are not ready to weave the handlooms now? Cloth made on handlooms used to be very popular in India, and weavers earned good money for their work. Nowadays, very few weavers want to stay in this job, said a weaver called Dharamraj. Okay, what did the weaver Dharamraj say? My father and my grandfather and my great grandfather, all of them were weavers, but now we are thinking to change our jobs because we are not earning enough money. Okay, and there is another lady who is talking to you, and what is she saying? The wood we use to make shawls is very costly. We cannot sell our shawls at good price. People don't pay a high price for them, said Asha. Okay, now for the practice question, students. Practice questions. Write if true or false. Okay, the price of wool can reduce the production of handloom cloth. True. The price of iron can reduce the production of handloom cloth. False. Okay, false, because we don't use iron much on a handloom. Second question, why would people buy machine made cloth instead of handloom? People buy machine made clothes instead of handloom because they are cheaper in rate. Okay, cheaper in their price, you can write that. Third question, Rajam is a weaver. He learned how to weave from his father. Who learned from his father? Rajam likes weaving, but it takes a week to him to weave and he earns very little money. Rajam now wants to stop weaving. Okay, The weaver was very good and he made very good saris, shawls, carpets, etc. But he wants to quit his job, okay, stop his job. What are you going, 4th class children, what are you going to tell them? Tell him. Who did Rajam learn his work from? Rajam learnt work from his father, right? Now, why does Rajan want to stop working as a weaver even though he likes weaving? Rajam wants to stop working as a weaver because he is unable to earn enough money. Next question, C question, what would you tell Rajan so that he continues working as a weaver? What can you say? Think about it. We will say to the weaver, your work is very beautiful and very good. Please don't stop weaving. All of us, okay, will buy one handloom cloth. That's the answer for C1. Now, let's go for the workbook questions. Tick the correct reasons why production of handloom cloth is going down in India. A. More people want to buy machine made cloth. Yes, put a tick. A1 tick. Handloom cloth is made in only one color. This is wrong. Jute hai, okay. Only A1 is right. C1, handloom cloth is too costly for people, okay. Put a tick to that because it's true. Then D1, handloom cloth can only, okay, handloom cloth can only be made using one type of thread. No? So, first A1 you can put a tick in the box, then C1 you can put a tick to the box, remaining you can leave. Now, next question, your mother or aunt wants to throw away an old handloom sari. What would you tell her? We will say, oh mother, please don't throw it away. It was such a beautiful sari. You looked so good in that sari. And even the weaver also spent a lot of time to weave the sari, right? Now, question 2, write 2 ways in which you can help to conserve handloom cloth. What can we do to help this handloom cloth? We can buy some goods from there, right? So, that's all for today, students. Thank you. Have a good day.